Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to mute notification sounds on your iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, I already have my phone opened on the home screen. Search for the settings app, then click on the settings app. And as you will go down a bit, you see the sounds and haptics tab. Click on the sounds and haptics. And it should be like maybe on the middle of the ringtone alerts for you. So if you want to mute it, all you need to do, just press the slider and go to the left to mute it. And as you see, there's a pop-up notification for the silent mode on. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.